Good morning class. It is chapter number 4, question number 9 on page number 55. That is the sodium ion have completely filled K and L shell. K and L shell is completely filled. Explain. First of all, we will write the configuration of sodium with atomic number 11, K, L and M. It have 2 electrons, 8 electrons and 1 electron. 2 electrons in first shell, 8 electrons in the second shell and the 1 electron in the last shell. When it loses one of its electron, it becomes the sodium ion. So we will remove this electron from the last shell. So its configuration will be the K2L8, means K and L are completely filled. Now the 10th one. If the bromine atom is available in the form of say 2 isotopes, one is the bromine 79 with percentage 49.7 and second is the bromine 81 with percentage 50.3. Calculate the average atomic mass. Average atomic mass it is equals to the mass of first isotope multiplied by its percentage plus mass of second isotope multiplied by its percentage. So 79 multiplied by 49.7 divided by 100. To change the percentage, it is 81 multiplied by 50.3 divided by 100. On solving, you will get the 497 over 1000 plus 81 multiplied by 503 over 1000. On simplifying, you will get the answer. Simplify it, you will get the answer. In the 11th, average atomic mass is given. Average atomic mass is given. It is the 16.2 units. What are the percentage of isotopes of the element 16 and the 18 having the mass number 16 and 18? First of all, we have to calculate the percentage in this, percentage of this sample and percentage of this sample. For this, we will suppose let the percentage of x16 is equals to x. Therefore, the percentage of the x18 will be 100 minus x. 100 minus x. So the average atomic mass is equals to mass of first element multiplied by its percentage plus mass of second element multiplied by its second isotope multiplied by its percentage. Average atomic mass is given 16.2 and this is 16 multiplied by x divided by 100. In the same way, this will be written as like this. It is the 1600 plus 1800 minus 18x. 16.2, moving this 100 to this side, it will be like this. Percentage is the point cut leni hai. It is a 1620 and it is a 1600 minus 1800. It is a minus 2x plus 1800. 1800 इधर आन के माइनस हो गया. It will be the it is the 180 or the x is a 90. So the percentage of first isotope is a 90 and second is a 100 minus 90 means the 10. Percentage of first is the 90 and second one is the 10. Next, moving to the 12th. 12th question is, if Z is equals to 3, atomic number is 3. What is the valency? It can be, the electrons can be filled in this way, 2 in K and 1 in L. And what is the valency? Last shell is the L shell having number of electron 1, so the valency is 1. And name third element कौन सा है? Lithium. Third element is the lithium. Next 13 करेंगे. 13 है हमारे पास composition of nuclear two atomic species X and Y are given as under. This one is X and this one is the Y. Protons in X, neutrons in X, protons in X, neutrons in X, 6. So the mass number will be P plus N 12. And it's for Y, protons are 6, neutrons are 8. ये हो गया इसका atomic number. Same atomic number but different mass number. So these are the isotopes. Mass number of X is 12, mass number of Y is 14. What is the relation between these two species? These two species are isotopes. एक 17th कर लेते हैं, बाकी सारी हो जाएंगे आपकी. Calculate the number of valence electron in chloride ion. Valence electrons in chlorine हमारे पास होता है 17 and it become the chloride when it gain 1 electron. मीन्स पहले 17 थे, अब एक ऐड कर लिए तो कितने हो गए इसमें 18. सो हम पहले 18 की कॉन्फिगरेशन लिखेंगे. 2 सेकेंड शेल कंटेन 8 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, 10 प्लस 8 18. एंड नंबर ऑफ वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन्स 8. वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन्स 8 एंड वैलेंसी 0 है. इसकी वैलेंसी 0 है, वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन्स 8. This is the all about the questions of this chapter. If you face any problem in any question, you can ask to me.